Alright, we're up on Waterworks and I am taking some footage of this home, which we've washed, and we will be prepping today to start painting next week. As you can see, I'm going to take a close-up of the house here. The house is actually oxidized pretty badly. As a matter of fact, we can't understand why it's in this condition, considering it was done with Duration 6 years ago. Good for the homeowner. They did pick a quality brand, such as Duration by Sherwin Williams, and they are honoring their warranty. So the entire house is going to get repainted with 2 coats. Sherwin Williams is honoring their warranty and doing it by providing all the paint on a warranty basis for this project. We're going to walk around their detached garage. You get to see the size of the project. Is that what? Do you know where he lives? It's 50 miles north. Again, this is the Waterworks project. Prior to applying of any paint, there are some very attractive architectural features on this home.